Hello, how are you? Today you will learn how to apply light colors in your decor. Check it out. Light colors are our allies when the subject is small, because they convey the feeling of spaciousness. The use of dark colors, on the other hand, they lead to feelings of compaction, but calm, nothing to be left alone in white, okay? We have a huge range of neutral and light tones, and the magnification trick is basically keeping the floor, walls and ceiling in the same color. This does not mean that your decoration must necessarily be monochromatic. To create joy, and to attribute personality, enjoy elements of prominence, in the tones of your preference, attributing the furniture, objects such as pillows, pictures, lamps, but if you are more daring, choose a wall to receive live flowers. First define the basis of your statement, and then choose your colors. White base, with colorful decorative objects, guarantee life and joy to the environments. Be creative and add your identity to your apartment, with objects that you can develop yourself, that are easy to find. Walls chosen for vivid colors are great options for small apartments and even allow combinations with woody tones and complementary colors to them. For those who do not like the pure white tone, pearlescent and nude tones are a good substitute for them. Bet on the patterned cushions, which give life and complete the decoration of the sofas. If you are passionate about prints like I, choose miniatures. Even if colorful, they are subtle and delicate, and do not convey the ambience. The composition is only successful if the colors that match each other. Now it's your turn to get inspired and decorate your home. If you want to share with us how your decor was, send us the photos. I hope you liked the tips. Let your like and your comment, if we see you in the next videos.